Hello, Excel enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the powerful world of conditional formatting, a game changer for visualizing data trends. Conditional formatting is like giving your data a makeover. It's a feature that lets you format cells based on certain conditions, making your data more visually appealing and easier to interpret. To access conditional formatting, head over to the Home tab in Excel, and there, you'll find the magic wand, Conditional Formatting. Now, let's add some color. With color scales, you can instantly see variations in your data. The darker the shade, the higher the value. Need a quick analysis? Icon sets are here to help. They use intuitive icons to convey information at a glance, making your data more insightful. Let's get creative. Data bars turn your data into a visual masterpiece. The length of the bar represents the value, a stylish way to interpret your information. Feel like a rule maker. With custom rules, you have the flexibility to define conditions and format your data exactly the way you want. And there you have it, conditional formatting in a nutshell. Experiment, explore, and make your data come alive. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy excelling!